Hey guys, are you like me and you got a GMC Sierra or Silverado or GM vehicle that's older than '08 and your thermostat went bad? So your radiator ended up exploding basically. Here's a video of that, if you see that. Well, we'll get right into tools you'll need. First, flathead screwdriver. You obviously need your thermostat. This is up to you. Vice grips for the hose clamps and 10mm ratchet. So first things first, get your cover off, throw that off to the side. Then you start working on taking this off, which is just hose clamps, your air intake. This is the stock one, I believe. Then there's your little tube back here that you pop right off, and there's a little thing and it slides all right off, just like that. Place that also off to the side. Now we got good access right down here to our thermostat housing, which is this. There's a clamp here that you pull back. Then you should be able to take this hose off. Then there's 2 bolts. Take that off and you can pop this right in. I'm gonna throw cardboard down there to try to funnel it. I didn't have a plastic, but I'm trying to funnel it down to there and then push my catcher down there. Hopefully that'll work. Old trusty milk crates. But yeah, so we're gonna test that. I'll get back to you. There we go. Hopefully that's all going in the right spot. Looks like it is. That's nice. Shove that on the pulley, let that drain out, then start tearing off this assembly here. There she is. Very old. Now when replacing these and putting them back in, there is a little tab on the side. You have to make sure those line up with the old housing. I'll show you in 1 second. After you take out the other thermostat now, you put in the new one, and you want to push down these flanges, make it nice and flat, and make sure this tab is in the right spot. After you have it, you want to put it back to the housing like this. Make sure that seal sits all the way, and then bolt it right up. After you install the housing back to where it was, install the hose and restart repairing everything. Cool trick with these clamps, you don't need that special tool. All you need is a vice grip with this tail end. Just throw it on there, like that. Start to tighten it with the tail end. It's hard to do this with one hand. Start to tighten with the tail end, and then you finish tightening with your other hand. So, final step, fill with coolant. Fill to the fill line. Now we can start the engine. There you go. Thermostat replaced.